Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the structure of flower. So how like the internal structure of flower, what are the parts are there in the flower, what is the function, we are going to discuss about here. So first, when you are going to divide flower, commonly as a two parts, that is a thalamus and pedicel. This is commonly the major two parts in flower, the internal structure of the flower. So first we are going to give a thalamus. Swollen like structure is present, is called as thalamus, and like cord like structures, like rod like structure, small is called as pedicel. So both are the major parts in that flower. So when we are observed in that thalamus, again is going to divide as a four parts. So those are the calyx, corolla, and the androecium and gynoecium. So here first, when we are observed in that first part or the portion of flower is a thalamus. From that first is a calyx, that is the first part, is a protection, commonly the green in color. These are going to give protection to flower. And the second is corolla. Commonly it is a very attractive part. It will be helpful in fertilization or pollination. So these two are called as non-reproductive parts. Then these two are called as reproductive parts. So one is androecium and second one is gynoecium. So androecium is also known as male part of the flower, and the gynoecium is also known as the female part of the flower. So which flower has that? These four parts, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, is called as bisexual flower. So both parts are present in this flower. So first, when we are observe the androecium, commonly these are present as a filament and anther. So here this is called as anther and this one is filament. So commonly anther, here also anther is a reproductive part and the filament is non-reproductive part. So here the filament is only, it will be held for that anther. So here commonly the anther pronoun gates are present, also known as male gametes. And then gynoecium is the last, the fourth part of the flower. When we are observed in the gynoecium, ovary style stigma are present. Here, this is the first is ovary, second is style, third is stigma. So three are present in that. In this also, ovary is a male, commonly is a reproductive part, remaining two are non-reproductive part. So ovary is a contain the ovules, these are called female gametes or eggs. So the fusion of male and female gamete is called as fertilization. So overall the flower is called as reproductive part in the plant. In the flower, some are a reproductive, some are a non-reproductive parts. So fertilization is also known as pollination. So fusion of male and female gametes or the formation of zygote is called as fertilization or pollination. When we are observe the internal structure of the plant, commonly these are the organs and the functions of the flower. Thank you.